Hey, this is Erica with WTI, and I want to tell you about the digital tube clock from ClocTeck. This is a digital LED clock that is inspired by Nixie Tube Clocks, which are a very old style of clock that's not really used anymore. So you get a retro look with a modern feel. You can choose the color scheme or the different effects that you'd like. This is also an alarm clock, and you can choose between 24 and 12-hour display mode. You can also connect it to Wi-Fi in order to calibrate the time or choose different color options through your phone. What's also really great is that you can adjust the brightness on this clock as well. You can make it really dim if the light bothers you at night, or you can turn it up really bright so you have almost a bit of a night light. The ClocTeck digital Nixie Tube Clock is a really fun and unique looking clock that's going to help you keep time and stay on track. And that's my point of view.